Hi, I'm Tony with M2K, and I'm here today to talk to you about two of our own tools, the BMW Wizard and the Lockpick. Both tools are designed to cover the BMW group of vehicles, BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce. The Wizard is basically a diagnostic and programming tool. It's designed to facilitate any experienced mechanic or technician to do their job effectively, and at the same time it's faster and more capable than any tool in the market. It's a dealer level tool with all its features, and added to it engineering software that enables the technician to do pretty much what they want. The BMW Wizard composed of the OEM interface, the ICOM Next, as well as the Panasonic convertible laptop tablet. Both of them provide a high performance combination that can diagnose and code any vehicle in the shortest amount of time. The Wizard software has a lot of features. To list a few: emergency flashing, individual module coding, generating and modifying vehicle order, component activation with detailed description, complete live data stream, and online updates and support. To supplement the BMW Wizard, we introduced the Lockpick device. It's primarily for key programming and ISN functions and all security-related issues. The Lockpick can be sold as a separate standalone unit and also as an addition to the BMW Wizard. Lockpick can read and write ISN. It can modify VIN numbers on all engine, transmission, and all security-related items. Lockpick can be used with the DLC cable to connect to the car port, OBD2 car port, or it can be used with any of the attachment to do on-bench programming. Thank you for watching, and please contact us for any information or for any quotation.